Question. Hello sir, paano po if galing sa ibang bansa din tapos lilipat sa Thailand? Need ko pa din po ba ipa-apostille sa DFA ang mga docs ko? The answer to that is yes. Of course, need nyo pong ipa-apostille ang documents nyo dahil it might be a different rule sa country kung saan kayo magagaling, and dito sa Thailand, iba rin ang rule nila. Most of the workplaces here, especially for foreigners, require that you apostille your documents first before you work in a school or before you work in an office. It's not always required pero it's recommended kasi there are schools that are very strict about this, and there are also workplaces that are very strict about this because this is also the requirement of the Department of Labor. Kaya it's better po to apostille it, and as I always say, before po kayo pumunta dito, if uuwi man po kayo ng Pinas from the other country where you're from, then start the apostille process or authentication process, and then come here to look for a job after the documents have been processed. Process it in the Philippines and then use it for your visa application dito sa Thailand.